Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy, and I'm with Floorrescue Concrete Floor Systems. We are based out of Dallas, Texas. We serve Texas and all surrounding states. We want y'all to check out this video. It's of a metallic epoxy floor going down, 4 different colors, 2,500 square foot home. We demo tile and wood, and it's an amazing floor, amazing home. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, follow to see more decorative concrete floor transformations by us and our team based out of Dallas. Appreciate you guys watching. Trusting the Rescue. Woo!